Hey there! Today I'm diving into the latest maintenance statistics for 2024. Whether you're in manufacturing, energy, or just curious about maintenance trends, this video's for you. First up, let's talk about the general maintenance landscape. As equipment and buildings age, maintenance needs are skyrocketing. The growth of companies and facilities means more assets needing care. Plus, the rising complexity of equipment calls for specialized expertise. Now, smart buildings and infrastructure are making waves. With data analytics and predictive modeling, maintenance operations are more efficient than ever. IoT sensors are enabling real-time monitoring, which is a game changer. And sustainability is on everyone's mind, driving energy-efficient and waste-reducing practices. Next, let's dive into maintenance strategies. Preventive maintenance remains the top strategy, but there's a growing shift towards predictive maintenance thanks to data and analytics. Computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, are becoming the norm, especially in industries with critical assets like manufacturing and energy. Mobile devices and wearable tech are revolutionizing how technicians work, and outsourcing specialized maintenance tasks is still a significant trend. Condition-based maintenance, which focuses on asset condition, is on the rise. Safety regulations and the need to minimize downtime are driving the adoption of robust strategies. Now let's talk tech in the maintenance world. Automation and data analytics are taking the lead. Cloud-based CMMS solutions are popular for their scalability. Mobile and wearable tech provide real-time data and communication. AI and machine learning are being used for predictive analysis and anomaly detection. Digital twins, which are virtual representations of physical assets, allow for remote monitoring and simulation of maintenance scenarios. AR and VR tech are helping technicians with complex repairs and training. But there are challenges. Resistance to change, cybersecurity concerns, and integration complexities can slow down tech adoption. Plus, there's a shortage of skilled personnel with expertise in both maintenance and technology. And organizations must consider the return on investment when implementing advanced technologies. So, what's the takeaway? Embrace new technologies, focus on preventive and predictive maintenance, and stay ahead of industry trends to optimize your maintenance operations. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on industry trends and insights. See you next time.